Hello everyone. Welcome to my class with SA. Our topic for today is pronunciation of plural markers. But before I say the objectives of the lesson, remember I've told you that consonants are also classified into two, voiced and voiceless. And I also said that all the vowel sounds are voiced. Do you remember? Yes, I know you do. So the knowledge of this is important because it has an implication when you pronounce some words, but many people don't know this. So that's why we are here. Okay? And I hope that uh, after watching this video, you correct, you adjust your pronunciation. So to our learning objectives. Number one, by the end of this lesson, learners, that is you watching me right now, should be able to identify plural markers in English. Number two, you should be able to explain the different ways plural markers are pronounced. Number three, you should be able to correctly pronounce given plural forms of words. Let me ask you, how do you form the plural of a word? Noun has singular and plural. Verb also has singular and plural. But the focus now is on noun. Okay. So basically, we form the plural of some nouns by adding s, es, or ies. Do you understand? So in English, when you add these uh, letters, okay, to form a plural of a noun, how do you pronounce it? There are three ways, okay, in which you must pronounce the plural. Okay, there are three ways of pronouncing plural nouns. Number one, okay, you pronounce as that is as a letter S, just like letter S. Okay, so when you add the sound s, you pronounce as s. Number two, you also pronounce it as z, 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 z. And then the third one is you also pronounce it as a is, 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 is. So when do you pronounce a plural as s or s? Okay, so usually plural markers are s, es, or ies. Okay, so the plural ending is pronounced in three different ways. Okay, the first one is s sound. So when the word ends in voiceless sounds like p, t, k, okay, that is the word that you want to pluralize. When it ends in voiceless consonants, you pronounce it as s, s. For instance, cap, caps. This is the phonetic transcription of the word. Cat, cats. Okay? Book, books. Number two, you also pronounce the plural marker as z, z. When the word ends in voiced sounds like b, d, g, v, v, and other voice consonants, and also all the vowels. For instance, bag. The plural of bag is you add s to bag. And how do you pronounce it? It's not bags, it is bags. So the rule says that you this s will change to z, z, z when it comes after a voiced consonant or any vowel. So it is bags, bags. Boy. The plural of boy is boys. Okay? Because the last sound here is oi, oi, which is a vowel. Therefore, so this S we pronounce as z, z. So we have boys. So pen, pens, because the last sound here is a voiced consonant. Therefore, we pronounce this S as z, z, z. So the last one is is. When the word ends in s, z, sh, ch, j, before adding s or es or ies. Okay, so when the word ends in any of these, so we are going to pronounce it as is. For instance, bus, buses. Okay, church, churches, judge, judges, and so on and so forth. I hope you have been able to learn a thing or two from today's lesson. Thanks, and God bless you.